How to make pork and vegetable dumplings. You will need pork mince, cabbage, carrot, spring onion, garlic, ginger, oil, water and dumpling wrappers. Press the flat of a knife on top of the garlic and push down. This will crush the garlic and let you take the peel off. Throw the peel away. Cut the stem off the cabbage and throw it away. Cut the rest into large pieces. Cut the stalk off the carrot and throw it away. Cut the rest into large pieces. Cut the stalk off the spring onion and throw it away. Cut the rest into large pieces. You can also throw away any bits that look sad and floppy. Put the ginger into a food processor with the garlic, carrot, spring onion, and cabbage. You can also finely chop this by hand, but using a food processor is much easier for kids. Blend until it looks mushy. This can take a few minutes. The pieces should look very small. Put the pork mince into a large bowl with the salt and blended vegetables. Mix with your hands until it looks the same all the way through. Hold a wrapper in one hand and wet the fingers of your other hand. Run your finger along the edge of half of the dumpling to make it wet. Put a teaspoon of mix in the middle and fold it over. Press the edges together to close the wrapper. Then dip your fingers in water again and make 2 small folds to hold the edges together. Repeat for the rest of the dumplings. Pour a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Use a dumpling to smear the oil everywhere. Put in as many dumplings as the pan can hold without touching each other. Pour in enough water to cover the bottom of the pan. Put on the lid and turn the heat to medium. The water should start bubbling with small bubbles. Have an adult help at the next stage as the oil can spit and be hot. When there is almost no water left, remove the lid and fry until the dumplings are crispy on the bottom. Pick a dumpling up carefully and check the bottom. It should turn a light brown color. Eat with soy sauce or dumpling vinegar. Yum yum yum.